bread maker.
Take 3.
For a £2 loaf. Yeah, tower. Now, it's not in the box. We've already got it out, haven't we?
Yeah, I would.
It's over there.
I would have unboxed it, but I couldn't wait.
Right. We have had a go, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we like it. We think it's pretty good.
It is really good. It's got 12 different programs.
And you only use one.
Well, 2 maybe. Because
1.
2.
No, because all it does is heats it up.
No. Listen, right, guys. So for all the women out there that know what I'm talking about, you can use an hour and 40 minutes setting, which is quick bread, which comes out lovely, nice and fresh. It's a bit soft though. And you can also use a 3 hour and 40 minute one, which is French bread, but it's proper crusty.
Oh, so 2 settings.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's a bit like the washing machine, isn't it?
Yeah,
you only use a couple of settings.
Yeah, exactly. It's only your settings. So it's right saying, yeah, you've got 12 settings, but you only need 2.
Yeah, but that's how they sell
Short
it.
cook, long cook, hard bread, soft bread.
Yeah, but you can do garlic bread, banana bread.
But you can add garlic to any one of them settings.
Will you stop being
Get a manual. What are your settings? Basic bread, French bread, quick bread, raw dough. Raw dough?
Well, yeah, if you're doing up a pizza
Oh, so it doesn't cook. You put it in there.
It just doughs it up.
Oh, all right. I like dough balls. Like that Pizza Express.
Oh, I like pizza express.
Oh, I don't know that kind. I have to try it. Well, my beer, woman.
Oh, sorry about that.
Sweet bread, whole wheat bread,
Whole wheat, nice.
gluten-free bread,
Sod that one.
cake.
Cake, like a bit of cake.
Next. Oh, you have a laugh. White bread, onion bread, cheese and onion bread, garlic bread, rye bread, granary bread. Can't speak. Granary bread.
You can never speak.
No. French bread, carrot bread.
I've never heard of carrot bread though.
Carrot cake.
A carrot cake, but not a carrot bread.
No, stop. Banana bread.
Yeah, and banana.
Tomato bread.
I so need to do banana bread.
Pizza dough. How can you make pizza dough?
Well,
There's no room.
No, it basically needs it, and that's it.
Oh, right. So then you have to get it out and do the rest of the work.
Well, no, it needs
You
it
have to,
all, and then you just got to bash
Put
it.
it round in circles.
I mean,
Right, that's easy then.
To be fair,
Swiss buns.
listen.
Wholemeal bread. There's no more.
No, I've already done a cheese bread. That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's all right, but it didn't really have much of a kick to it.
The only thing that,
It's quite sickly, actually. I said I liked it. I put mine in the bin.
No, you did not.
I did.
It's in there.
I wasn't keen. I was not keen.
I mean, no, but I do find the bread is like really dense.
Dense, yeah.
As in, like, although it's nice and tasty, it's quite it's dense.
Yeah, because when you put it on the 4-hour programme, it comes out like a brick.
3 hour and 40 minutes. Oh. Yeah, it did come out.
But the longer you put it, makes sense. The longer you put it in there,
it was rock solid.
Yeah, the harder it's going to get.
A bit like other things that go rock solid.
What's happening?
No comment.
Right, anyway. So what I reckon we should do is we should show people how to make it. Because you've used it before.
Yep.
When you get to the display, you're going to go beep, 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 beep. Just going to work first time.
Like a pro.
Yeah? I bet it don't go right.
Probably not.
Should we give it a go?
We'll give it a go.
What are we making first? Hang on a minute. Stop. We missed something out completely here. What flowers have we got? What do you need? What do you need to make bread?
I was going to tell them whilst I'm doing it.
No, you tell them now. Because if you don't know in the beginning, how are you meant to make it?
Look, I was going to say it as...
Don't get the bits out.
Quick bread, which requires...
Yeast. Well, you can have that yeast.
Well, they're both the same, love.
We've got mustard.
No, we don't need that for
Don't need mustard.
We need we need that white flour in there.
Yeah, 8 grain flour.
No, we don't want that.
No, I'm just showing what you can use.
Right, crack on.
Churchill White Premium Strong.
In other words, white flour.
Yeah, wholemeal, which we've not tried yet.
We haven't tried the wholemeal, no.
So there's different types of bread you can have. What else do you need?
No, to actually use, I need the open white flour.
Oh, I've got burst my beer. The open white flour.
Yeah, we've got the big one. That's it.
Oh my God.
So,
no, it's gone everywhere. Look. Do things up properly.
No, because it didn't open properly, look.
No, you didn't open it properly.
Oh,
Get scissors, then put it in a bag.
Just do one.
Keep it tidy. Now listen, one bag is £1.
That was £1.30.
Shit.
That was?
Yeah, so you can do 3 loaves out of that.
3 loaves, yeah.
3 loaves, that's really good. To make 3 loaves of bread, you need 1 of them, some yeast.
About a teaspoon.
A little bit of oil.
Some water and some butter.
So the cost of a loaf of bread is basically...
It
probably still works out about £1.
But it's still probably about £1.
Time you add in all the bits.
Yeah.
You know, and I think it's something like these wholemeal... No, what do you call it? Granary
was nice, wasn't it?
When we had that, there was hardly no seeds in there, was it not really?
But I still like it.
Right, okay, what I reckon we should do Choose one. We'll show them how to make it.
I'm just going to do the normal quick bread with the white flour.
Actually, should we show them inside the machine?
Can do.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, just always make sure it's strong flour though, otherwise it won't work. Okay?
Why can't you use standard flour?
Because it has an ingredient in it that activate. Well, I don't know the science of it, to be fair.
Right, so
but you need strong flour.
Strong flour.
Strong flour, yeah.
Right, okay, great.
Otherwise it'll be a fail.
And have a look at the ingredients, but let's have a look at the machine first.
Yeah.
But right, so inside you've got this separate little basket, and that is what it cooks in. In the bottom of that basket is like a blade, and that spins round and round, doesn't it? Yeah, so that goes in there at an angle.
It's tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you go like that, and it locks it in. So that's really, really easy, isn't it? What bread are we making?
So we're making a quick bread. So it's just a white loaf, but quickly done for 1 hour, 40 minutes.
1 hour, 40 minutes, right. Ingredients.
So the ingredients are, first of all, we got 310 mils of water.
Yeah, does that go in now?
Which goes in first.
Right.
So we'll pour that.
Does it really matter what order it goes in?
It does, because if you do it against the yeast, it will activate it straight away.
Oh, right, yeah, I'll get that.
Then it won't work.
So what have we got here?
3 tablespoons of butter.
Yeah.
Plop that in. 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, flour 520 grams, and the yeast we've got 4 teaspoons.
Yeah,
so,
don't get it down the sides. If you get it down the side of here, there's an element in there. It gets.
So all our other weighed out ingredients will go on the top.
Right, chuck it in. So that's it. You don't do anything really.
Nope.
Literally measure out a few things, just like chuck it in, and it does everything for you. Chuck it in. It does everything for you. I've still got butter on my hand, look.
So have I, look.
Right, to set it up for standard bread.
The quick bread.
Yeah.
So we go to number 4.
Yeah.
Which is for 1 hour, 40 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to press this button because we like the bread to be dark. You can do it light or medium, but we like it really done. Yeah. So yeah, and it's already standardly on 1,000 grams, which is £2 loaf. Right. And then we just press start.
And that's it, it's off.
And it'll start kneading.
So inside, it's having a bit of a fit, isn't it?
It's kneading
It's going round and round, so it's like paddle, isn't it?
It's kneading it, yeah.
Kneading it, yeah, whatever you want to call it.
It will knead it.
You can't really see inside. Oh, we go, look.
You can.
So it's going round and round.
So it will knead it, rise, knead it again, and then it will bake it.
All the ingredients are done, chucked in there.
Cooking.
Done the settings. It's on its way now.
We'll bring you back when it's done.
Right, hour and 40 minutes.
Hour and 40 minutes.
Hour and 39 minutes. Right, shall we have a drink?
See you then. We'll have a drink. Right, the bread's done.
That's it, it's finished. Wow, look at that.
That's it.
That's it, look.
Look.
That's really nice, is it? Kind of.
Yeah.
That's not too bad, is it? Well, it's not. It's a bit soft in the middle.
Yeah, but it's quite hard on top.
Yeah, but that'll do. So for now.
But you need to let it rest for about 5-10 minutes, just in there.
Yeah, and then we'll tip it out. We'll put it on like a rack and then leave it on the side overnight. If you try to cut it
crumbles.
it'll just fold up, won't it? So yeah.
You need to make sure you don't leave it more than 10 minutes in that, otherwise the bottom goes soggy.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, leave it there.
Lovely and golden.
In the morning we'll cut it up. So the next part of the video you'll see, but the next day.
And I'll be eating it.
And we'll cut that bread up.
That smells lovely.
It's the next day, right? The bread is done. It's over there. We'll show you in a minute. But you know, last night, whilst we were making the bits you've seen before this, we were having a drink, weren't we?
Yep.
You were on the wine. Yeah. We couldn't get our words out.
No, it was just...
And it was quite a good laugh, but really, it was a late one, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
We made so many mess ups. But anyway, we're going to show you this bread now. We think it's come out all right. Do you want to go get it, actually?
Yeah.
Put a cutting board on here.
It looks good.
Yeah. But overall, it's been quite a good result. Don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Bring it over here. Let's see what it's like. Here is the finished loaf. Now, I think that looks really, really good.
It does look good,
Considering it cost about £1 to make.
Nice colour.
Yeah, about hour and 40 minutes to cook. I think that's come out really, really well.
Yeah.
So, I'm really impressed with the Tower bread maker. It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's really good.
So we'll try and make a loaf every day, or as and when we need, because that lasts about, what, a day?
Well, 2 days, but yeah, I wouldn't have it longer than that.
Let's get a knife. I'm going to cut a bit off and see how it's come out. Right, ready? Nothing special, a big, great big bit. Chunky bit. Now, if I cut the end off first.
Not too chunky.
Let's have a look. The cut's nice. Cuts all right.
Oh, it does. Yeah, see, it cuts better if you leave it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that dough's it's quite hard. Oh no, but it's there. There, it's like a standard white loaf.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just cut a bit out.
Nice and soft.
Right, oh, that cut's lovely. So you see, if it's been left overnight, then you can cut it like that. It comes out really well. But I'll show you another clip here. If you cut it straight away,
And it's warm.
it collapses and all the sides come off. But that, it's all right, isn't it?
That's a good
Yeah.
slice.
Do you want to try it?
I need a bit of butter on it.
No,
though.
you don't need butter on it.
Yeah, you
Just
do.
try the bloody bread.
Who eats bread without butter?
Oh, woman, I'll do it then.
Just a little bit.
Just standard bread.
Look, just cut me a little bit off, please. Easy. That's good. Lovely and fresh.
Right, so I think it's a nice bread. But what I take from that is, if you compare it to something like a Warburton's loaf, a Warburton's loaf's quite, it's really flavoursome, isn't it? Loads of flavours in it. That is lacking salt.
Yeah.
But, what was there, 1 teaspoon of salt in that?
1 teaspoon, which is good.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a really, it's to a point where it's quite watery, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? It's a really, really clean taste.
Yeah, you haven't got the full-on flavour, obviously.
Yeah, I'm not sure that would go with a bacon sandwich.
No.
Because, again, it hasn't really got much flavour to it. But I think that over time we're so used to eating manufactured bread, aren't we?
Look at this. Yes.
Yeah, in comparison, we talk about flavour and things like that. I think this lacks salt. But how much is in that?
0.46 grams.
So that's nearly half a gram per slice. And God knows how many slices in there. Loads of salt in that. So this, we put a tablespoon, which must be like 2-3 grams, something like that, of salt in it.
Yeah.
So it's a lot healthier, but you do miss that salty taste.
Yeah, obviously, because salt gives food a lot of taste,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
overall, I think that's a better loaf. However, it's not convenient, is it?
No, it's not.
But on the flip side, it's not hard to do.
No.
You know, you just, as we showed you, you've seen before, you just chuck it all in, leave it to rest, cut it up, and you've got it.
Yeah.
But how do you think the kids would get on with it? Kids are fussy, aren't they? They like lots of flavour because they're used to modern processed crap.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, they won't find it as tasty, for sure.
No, they won't,
But, like I say, it is very fresh and it's better for you.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. So, overall, the Tower bread maker, fantastic.
Recommend
the
it.
bread is all right. It's all right. I think you get used to the taste. I think you can, like we said before, you can make all different types of bread with it.
We could put loads of different things in.
I think we're going to stick this and get the odd Warburton because it's nice with sausage and bacon sandwiches, isn't it? Yeah, and we'll go from there. Right, so we had too much to drink. Coming up is the outtakes. Right, now you got out of control.
Right.
And I'm going to, I'm going to show them you getting the flour down the side and nearly setting it on fire.
Oh, yeah.
Not on fire, but yeah, you'll you'll see. For now, that's it. Watch the outtakes. See you in the next video.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Really good. Right, get out of the way because you can't have you getting drunk. You've got to make some stuff.
Right, yeah.
Right, yeah, so you've broken it.
Fail! Who's it?
No, right, stop there. No, stop. This is where she doesn't listen to me. Right, look, it's smoking.
Huh.
But it's like one of those bloopers, isn't it? Bloopers, what do you call it at the end?
Who?
No. Bloopers. Babes, you put your mic on backwards. What have you done? It's meant to be that way.
What's he going to do?
What have you done? Right, so you've broken that and put your mic on backwards. Now it's upside down. Look.
Oh.
I don't know.
Same.
I know where we left off. What we done was we said we're going about the noise. We're going about the noise of it, right?
If it's not noisy now.
I know. Well, that's what we were saying. But when we done that, was filming the washing. It wasn't filming us.
We said with it outtakes.
And we got it wrong. Sheeping it in the wine.
Eat.
Sheeping it in the wine. I've had a couple of strong beers.
Drinking the wine.
Hitting the wine.
Sounds like you said eating.
So you got 2 drunk people. Oh no, not drunk, but tipsy
Pretty
people.
tipsy.
Trying to operate a machine to make bread. Yeah, this is the outtakes, isn't it?
And we'll show you what this disaster turns out like.
Friday night bread making. What is it? It says £4.
£2.
You got a bread maker? One tower. Look at that, look. £4. I said £4 again.
£4!